And so one of the blocks was about how to be aware of your own healthy habits. And so I highlight the awareness, the self-help, but also the resilience. And to say, oh my God, you are in the streets, you are such a resilient person, you are such a successful person. And they would look at me and say, I live under a bridge, sometimes I don't have a bed. How am I a successful person? And I said, because every day you wake up and every day you work hard to get to another place, so that makes you resilient. How do I get healthy habits when I live out here? You pay attention to the different ways that you can take care of yourself out there. You reach out to places that can help you. And so that's very important for kids who feel that they are disregarded, and they feel, so once a student said to me, I feel how I look. And I said, well, let's change that. Um, I've gone shopping with them at thrift stores and said, we could dress fancy in this place for $5, and I've had people come in and say, what are you missing? What do you need? And have them donate it to the church, not to the youth specifically, because then I don't want them to feel like they own someone, but they'll donate to the church fund. And then we were able to go thrift store shopping. So, and the reason we did thrift store shopping as opposed to any other fancy places is because that is what they have. That is where they can walk in from the streets and dress up, mock interviews and things like that. So
That's super helpful. Yeah, thank you.